Well, it is curious how the most abundant state of matter in the universe is partially unknown for us. I mean, we are familiarized with solid, liquid, and gases, but when I see a picture like this, I realize that the most abundant state of matter in this picture is plasma, and we don't study that in school. Basically, it's a gas that has so much energy that the particles get split into charged particles. So now you have this radiant matter, which is composed of different charged particles as well as photons that make it glow. In fact, we interact with it more than we think, since our sun and the stars are huge balls of plasma. Also, we see it in other natural phenomena as lightnings in the thunderstorms, or the northern lights. And a way to see the northern lights from Puerto Rico is using our plasma TV. So we have plasma also in our home appliance. Another home appliance, we use it constantly at the fluorescent lights. And moreover, when we're driving around, we see all those signs with neon. That glow inside those bulbs are different mixtures of gases that when they get ignited into plasma, they emit lights in different colors. Going back to how you create that plasma, the way to create it is to add enough energy until those molecules get rid of the electrons. And the way to add that energy could be by adding heat or using electrical current, to ignite it. In our lab, what we do, we use a single jet connected to a voltage source that is able to ignite that plasma. And it looks like a pen, but imagine instead of having ink in the point, you have plasma, and now you're able to strike it wherever you want. So if we strike it to a surface, we can treat that surface and remove oxides, for example. Or also plasma is able to sterilize a surface, and it can be used in hospitals to kill bacteria that grow in the surface. In other research beyond our lab, it's also being used to target specific cancerous cells in the bodies without affecting other parts of the body in the cancer treatments. And I hope you got more familiarized with plasma by this point. And at least I encourage you to get so much energy, enough to get rid of the negative vibes and glow in your and shine in your life. Thank you.